Hello everyone, welcome back to DelfStack Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to create a quiz in Google Forms with correct answers, assign points, and automatically grade responses. First, make sure you are logged in. Go to Google Forms, open a blank form, create a new blank form. Add a title and description based on your quiz topic. I will use a simple quiz topic as an example. Add a short description if needed. You can follow along as I set this up. Click the Settings option. Go to Quizzes and enable Make This a Quiz. Choose when respondents see their scores either immediately or later. After manual review, click Save. You can now assign points to each question. Let's start creating the quiz. Customize the quiz settings and set the question type to multiple choice. Enter the question text. I will add a sample question. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Add the answer options. I have added sample options. Now add the answer key. Click on the question. Select Answer Key. Click Answer Key. Choose the correct answer. Assign points to the question. I will assign 1 point. You'll see the Publish option. Click Publish. Copy the quiz link. Share it with your students. You can also create a time-based quiz. This uses the time limiter extension. I covered this in another video. You can find it on my channel. The extension lets you set a timer. Choose the quiz date and time limit. Select today's date. Set the end time. I will set a 5-minute duration. The quiz will end automatically. Save the settings. Wait a few seconds. The setup completes shortly. Return to the previous section. Check that everything is working. You'll see the countdown timer. The quiz starts at the scheduled time. The quiz has started. Enter your email address if email collection is enabled. This applies to all respondents. I will enter my email, answer the questions, select the correct options, just like this. Submit the quiz. That's how to create a quiz in Google Forms. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials from DelfStack. See you in the next one.